Like the freight car. This seems like one of the old ones.
Oh, that's so you can put really tall.
Yeah,
wood and everything
yeah,
in
it's
here.
common on $3.
Yeah, like you got a 2x12 or something like that. And it's 20, 15 feet tall. Yep. It runs pretty good for a.
Yeah, I'm surprised by how well it runs.
The oldest corporation.
I was expecting it to rattle its way up.
50-year-old machine.
Yeah, the new ones have brand new machines. I can tell by the AC sounds. Brand new machines, and then these are on the old machines from the 70s.
Same deal, only goes to 28.
Yeah, you can hear the DC drives on this old machines.
If you
Say,
oh,
restricted access.
I don't want to get anybody. But
Pretty slow though.
what's the capacity of this thing?
Nowadays, 4,000 pounds.
Oh, wow. Big boy.
I think the biggest I've ridden was that one at the TK test tower over 22,000.
Good.
The tech who worked there, he was saying it's the size of a whole room, the machine for it.
The machine is the size of the room.
Yeah. You want to go up one more time?
Sure. One more time and then I gotta go.
Alright.
So you're working, orienting, and moving all at the same time. Huh?
Busy day. I guess I never noticed that.
What the official name of this building is?
Street sign.
Anybody ever post this building before, Jen?
No, it's too restricted.
Alright. There we go.
Yeah, these have been through 3 mods, I'm guessing. Something originally, then modernized. The 90s, I'm guessing, is this. And then again is recently, this one's next on the chopping block to get modded.
To run this smooth.
Yeah, they're gonna replace everything here.
Well, I mentioned the new owners that do a lot of renovation.
Yeah.
Start with the lobby, just make it.
Yeah.
Plus, they aren't gonna have the same security needs, so we'll probably get to deal with
It's-
it.
Emory medical buildings just tend to be pretty easy.
The trouble is the riffraff from that MARTA station's gonna.
I'm guessing they're just gonna close off.
Guessing Emory's gonna be pushing pretty hard on part of it.
I'm guessing they're just gonna close off.
Yeah.
I'm guessing they're gonna close off that entrance entirely.
It's the people who
Great.
just
That'll be about it.
meander